Hello, Geometry Geniuses. Here we have a question. It says, which line is parallel to negative x plus 4y equals 20? Well, remember, we can tell if lines are parallel or perpendicular by looking at their slope. Parallel lines will have the same slope. So the first thing we have to do is identify the slope in this line. And the way I do that is I want to put it in y equals mx plus b format. That's called slope-intercept format. And we know that m is our slope. So I want to take this guy right here and get it into that format. And the way I do that is to solve for y. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the problem over. And now my job is to get y all by himself. So to get rid of this minus x, I'm going to add x to both sides of the equation. That leaves me with 4y equals, now notice up here, my x term comes before my constant term, so I'm going to write x first. So I'm going to write x plus 20. All right, then I still need to get y by himself, so I'm going to divide both sides by 4. Basically, I'm dividing everything by 4. And x over 4, that's the same as saying 1 over 4 times x plus 20 divided by 4 is 5. So now I can say with confidence that the slope of my original line, remember slope is m, it's the coefficient on x, is 1/4. Now, since I'm looking for a line that is parallel, I'm looking for another line whose slope is 1/4. All right, I know it's not going to be this one here, C, because it tells me that it's negative 1/4. I know it's not going to be D because it's negative 4. So it's got to be one of these two. So let's take A, and it says negative x plus 4 times y equals 8. And I've got to get it in y equals mx plus b format now. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add x to both sides. That leaves me with 4y equals x plus 8. I'm going to divide everything by 4. All right, and that's going to leave me with y equals 1 over 4 times x plus 2. Well, check this out. That's what we were looking for. The slope here is 1/4, and the slope here is 1/4. Since the slopes are the same, I know that those two lines are parallel. So answer choice A is the correct answer. Hope that helps.